Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very important platform for development and cooperation between all of us. And this meeting is taking place at a very critical juncture, as honorable speakers have just mentioned, that ceasefire in Gaza is so important that without that, peace and prosperity and progress, not only in the region, but globally, will not be possible. And therefore, I would, in all humility, urge my brother presidents, prime ministers, ambassadors and excellencies sitting in this room, that while we discuss today's agenda with deep insight, it is equally important, if not more, to discuss the situation in Gaza, the peace in ceasefire in Lebanon, and potential threat of Israel's carnage in this area and the world over.